the mail that I got from the doctors, and you might not have known that you might have seen in the stars because I saved somebody's life, but only in the baby version when I was still a baby. So I'm gonna tell you a story about my umbilical cord. And you know what's umbilical cord? It is a powerful pipe that takes food from mom's tummy to baby's tummy. And so me and my mommy were at the doctor's, and when I was still a baby, so I didn't like the light. The doctors took me out and they saw my umbilical cord. They took it out, and a stranger came in, and that was the first time that he was sick. And the doctors put it in the umbilical cord, and he felt so much better that he said thank you. And the doctors gave me a medal, and this is the medal that I just showed you. So, did you have a first medal? Let me know.